Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the online classes. Dear students, can you see some pictures on the screen? These are good habits. In the first picture, as you can see, a girl is brushing her teeth, and the second one, a boy is taking a bath, and the third picture, that is the most important part of our life nowadays. He is washing his hands. We should wash our hands properly with soap, or we should use sanitizer. We have one more picture on our screen. In this you can see two pictures. In the first picture you can see that is not clean because so many papers are lying on the floor. Tables, chairs, they are not in proper order. Books are lying on the floor. Can you see that is a clean class? No, we can't see. And in the same second picture is there. In this, everything is there on the proper place. Books are lying on the tables, pencils, etc. They are in the pencil box, and the playing material is also in the ball box. Tables, chairs, everything is on the proper place. So the second picture you like most because that one is clean and neat. So dear students, I showed you the pictures of the classroom because today's art chapter that is related to the pictures. So we are going to do our second chapter of English book, and the name of the chapter is Good Habits. In this chapter, Siddharth is a good boy and he is entering to the classroom, but before entering the class, he asked his teacher, "May I come in, ma'am?" Teacher said, "Yes, you can." Siddharth thanked to his teacher and wished her, "Good morning, ma'am." Teacher replied, "Good morning, Siddharth. How are you?" Siddharth said, "I am fine. Thank you, ma'am." Teacher said, "Please take your seat." Again Siddharth thanked her. But when he was going to his seat, he saw some pieces of paper on the floor. And do you know who was throwing these papers? Aryaman. Aryaman, a boy from his class, he was throwing the papers on the floor. But Siddharth asked to his ma'am, "Ma'am, may I pick up them and throw them in the dustbin?" As you can see in the picture, he is picking up now. Teacher said to Aryaman, "Aryaman, don't litter the floor." Teacher then said, "Children, we should always use the dustbin and we should throw rubbish always into the dustbin." Then Aryan did the same. Then Aryan did the same. He picked up the litter and then he thrown into the dustbin. Teacher said to Siddharth, "Siddharth, you are really a good boy. We should keep our classroom clean and we should also keep our houses and surroundings clean." So my dear students, how was the chapter? Nice, na? Yes. Because in this chapter that we are getting a message, and that is very important. That is, we should not litter anywhere, whether it is school, classroom, our house, or we are playing in the park or somewhere else. Now, what we learn from this chapter? We learn from this chapter that we should greet our elders. We should use magic words like thank you, sorry, excuse me, etc. And we should not litter the floor. We should keep our class, school, houses, and surroundings clean. Okay? So, my dear students, I hope you have learnt this. And now I am sharing a worksheet with you that you need to do in your English notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. Thank you, my dear students. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.